So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to read the delete WhatsApp message. Let's say if someone send you message and the person has deleted the message, you still see what the person sent. So number one step for you to do that is to go to your Play Store. When you just come like this, you come and search on it, save my notification. Then this particular app will come out. When it come outside like this, you click on install. You wait for it to load. So after loading, it will install inside your phone. Then you click on open. After clicking on open, it will bring you to this particular options. Then you click on allowed. After clicking on allowed, it will bring you to this particular place. Then you click at these two buttons you see. You click on the upper one, the one at the top. You click on it. After clicking on it, these options will come outside. Then you click on allowed notification access. Then you click on it. After clicking on it, these options will come outside. Then you click on this allowed. After clicking on it, just back it. So everything is set now. They have sent you notification to test it. So right now, let me go and test it on WhatsApp. Okay, I have two WhatsApp on my phone presently. So let me send message from my first WhatsApp to my business WhatsApp. So okay, let me send from my business WhatsApp to my first WhatsApp. Okay, let's see. Okay, here it. See, okay, let's see. Hi, my friend. Kindly follow my page and share this video. Okay, then let me send the message. I have sent the message already. Okay, let's see it. Let's check it there, whether you can see the message. Okay, see the message here. The message have come. You can see it here. Hi, my friend. Kindly follow my page and share this video. Okay, let me go back there and delete it. Okay, that is it. Let me delete the message. Delete for everyone. Okay, I've deleted it for everyone, both my side and this. You can check it here. Here you can check it in my first WhatsApp. It is not more here again. It has been deleted. You cannot see it here. So let me show you how to see it. Come back to this self notification. You click on it. Okay. Have you seen the message now? The same message that I have sent and I have deleted it already. Here is the message. My friend, hi my friend. Kindly follow my page and share this video. Here is it. You see, it's just a very simple trick. So if you learn something here, please do well to like this video and follow this page. Thank you for watching. My name is Ponchan Innocent.